Today I'm going to show you how to take your ordinary butter and turn it into this over-the-top decadent butter that you won't be able to stop eating. We're gonna roast our garlic so it comes out sweet and just perfectly caramelized, and we're gonna add some gochujang, your Korean red pepper paste, and fold it in with our butter. It is so simple, but let me just tell you, you put it on everything and it just will taste exponentially better. And honestly, you really should share this recipe with your friends and family that you really like, because this is so good. 오늘의 레시피, 고추장 마늘 버터 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. Sorry if I'm making you drool. If you love bread and butter, oh, it's a warning. You won't be able to stop with just one slice. I'm just saying. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. The full ingredient list is available in the description box below, as well as the Korean product links that you could order online. To make our delicious roasted garlic, we need a bulb of garlic, and make sure that your garlic is nice and hard. You never want to use any mushy or soft garlic, okay? Then we're gonna cut the 1/3 top like that. And here I have 2 sheets of aluminum foil. Then we're gonna add our garlic right here in the center, and our tip 1/3 stays right there, and these are the loose guys, they stay right there. And to this we're gonna grab a big pinch of salt and then just put it on top. Then to this we're gonna add some freshly ground black pepper. Then to this we're gonna add some olive oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil like that. Put a generous amount. Then we're gonna take this tip and just put it on top. Any loose guys like that, just try to wedge it in there somehow. Then we're gonna cover this up with our foil. So just bring it up, and we just wanna loosely cover our garlic with our foil. And the ends, just wanna fold it up like that, fold it up like that, and the middle stays just puffed up like that. Set your oven to 375 degrees for 1 hour. Once it's preheated, put your garlic foil in there and come back to it in 1 hour. So an hour later, what I want you to do is, with the oven turned off, do not open the door and let your foil garlic just rest in here for 1 hour. And then an hour later, we're gonna take this out. Ooh, look at that. So right now, it should just be warm to touch so that you could pick it up in your hands. And I want to show you the inside. It smells so good in my kitchen right now. Oh my goodness. If you love garlic, you're gonna love this, love having this. And then all we have to do is, with the bottom, you just want to hold it with your hands, and you just want to kind of squeeze, and look at that coming out. So that 1 hour of resting in the oven after it finished baking is very important, because this is when the garlic will continue steaming as it cools down, and so that everything kind of squeezes out really nice and easy like that. Then what we're gonna do next is literally just mash our garlic like so that it looks like this. Roasted garlic paste. Oh, it's also important to not over mash it, so you can still see little clumps of garlic. I think it tastes better when you have clumps of roasted garlic mixed in with your butter. So we need 1 stick of salted butter. I'm using sweet cream butter, so it's extra yummy. And it is very important to bring your butter to room temperature so that it is nice and soft. See? You could press it with your finger and leave a dent. If you can't do that, then let it sit on your kitchen counter for another hour. For 1 stick of butter, we need about 20 grams of our roasted garlic mash. You could add more or less. It's up to you, but I would save this for something else. Now, using the same mixing bowl, we're gonna add our room temperature butter. Then we're just gonna mash it up. Then once you mash up your butter like so, then to this, we're going to add our 20 grams of our roasted garlic paste, like that, and we're just gonna fold this over. It is very, very important to not over mix because having clusters of your roasted garlic mixed in with your butter is so important, and that's why this is so tasty. So we just wanna fold this over so that you can still see the garlic mixed in with the butter, like so. Then to this, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of gochujang. For those of you that are new to gochujang, this is fermented red pepper paste. Make sure to scrape everything off the spoon. Then we're gonna fold our gochujang in with our butter. So if you like it with less gochujang, add less. You know, maybe half a tablespoon. Again, the key is to not over mix, but just fold in our butter with our gochujang like so. So you could turn your bowl and then you pick up and then fold, turn, pick up and fold. Maybe do this about 10 times and that's it. Then what I would do is add our gochujang garlic butter into a ramekin like so. So depending on the size of your ramekin, you might have just enough for 1 large ramekin or 1.5, something like that. So you just want to put your spatula on top like this and just turn to kind of level it out. Then you want to take a clean wet paper towel and just clean off the edge so that it looks pretty like this. Here's a quick tip on butter storage, which is so important if you want your butter to taste good after it goes in the fridge. Instead of wrapping in a saran wrap, put it in an airtight container, then put it in the fridge. Remember that butter is like a sponge, so it will absorb the odor of your food in the fridge. Always, always serve your butter at room temperature. Now, this is optional, but this is when you want to break out your fancy schmancy salt if you have any. And I have some Himalayan salt here, which we're going to sprinkle a little bit right on top right before we serve or eat our delicious gochujang garlic butter. Look at that. You can still see the chunks of butter with our glorious gochujang and garlic, roasted garlic. So good. So here's a trick I'm going to share with you if you want to make your butter look extra pretty and presentable in front of your guests. Put your gochujang garlic butter on a parchment paper like so, then fold it over like that, and using your hand, just tuck right here at the bottom and use this hand to hold this down and then just pull it back a little bit like that. So we're kind of squashing this. What you want to do next is take a baker scraper, tuck it right here, and then hold this paper down right here at the end, and then we're just going to pull and pull. So I'm going to show you from this angle. So we just push and push like that. Now it's in the shape of a nice roll. Then what you want to do is this end right here, just fold it over once like that, fold it over once like that. Then we're going to do the same thing. Take your baker scraper right here and you hold this part and you just kind of pull in opposite directions. So now our butter is perfect round shape. Keep this 2 ends down. Then you just roll gently, roll and roll. Fold this end over, fold this end over. Then gently we're going to pick this up and put it inside a Ziploc bag like that. Take out the air and close it tight. So let this hang out in the fridge for about 30 minutes so it gets hard. And here's another one that I made earlier. Let's check it out. Our beautiful round shaped gochujang garlic butter. So I would slice them up like so and put it on a plate for your guests to grab one little round piece of our gochujang garlic butter so that they'll be so happy. And of course, right before you serve your guests, add some of your fanciest salt you have. Look at that perfect marbling of our gochujang with our butter and little nuggets of roasted garlic. You're welcome. Diet is for tomorrow. Today is to be enjoyed. That's what I tell myself every day. And you must have it over warm Korean rice like this. I cannot even tell you how delicious this combination is that I'm having trouble speaking right now. So you just want to let this kind of get extra soft, get to know the rice together. Oh, and then you make yourself a spoonful. And here we go. Open your mouth because I'm going to feed you right now. Oh, it smells so good. Garlicky butter and gochujang peppery smell going up my nose. I can't even speak. Bon appetit, everyone. I know butter makes everything really delicious, but we took it to many levels higher because we added gochujang and that sweet roasted garlic. Oh, yes, this is not something you should eat if you're gonna, go on your first date, obviously. But if they love you, maybe they'll still kiss you anyway. And of course, the only way this gets better is if you add a piece of kimchi on top together. Oh, now life is literally perfect. So you could still see the garlic right there. Oh, that's why you don't want to overmix and overmash the garlic. That's gonna be heaven in your mouth right now, right there. Oh! And of course, my other favorite way is on a slice of delicious bread. Look at that. Sorry if I'm making you drool. You know it's gonna be good. If you love bread and butter, oh, it's a warning. You won't be able to stop with just one slice. I'm just saying, because I love bread alone, but with this, butter and gochujang and the sweet roasted garlic together, oh. But I would make this and put it out when my friends and family come over, especially during the holidays. For instance, like for Thanksgiving, when your turkey is a little dry, depending on who made it, then you slather our butter, gochujang garlic butter, and I guarantee you, it would just save the day. Good on everything, especially on bread and Korean rice is pretty darn good. In addition to warm Korean rice and bread, I also put it on so many things, like on my scrambled eggs. Ooh la la, look at that. Gochujang butter, garlic melting. And you can see that big chunk of roasted garlic right here. Oh, you just need to make this and eat it at home. You spread the love on your scrambled eggs like that. Oh, and I would also put it on my baked potato. Ooh, look at that. When it comes to my steaks, I like it crusty with just salt and pepper, but sometimes I like to dress it up with my gochujang garlic butter. Ooh, look at that, perfectly cooked, medium rare. Ooh. You know you want it. And I would also put this on roasted chicken and salmon and so much more. So make it and enjoy your gochujang garlic butter at home with everything. Wait, don't go anywhere. Make sure to go to youtube.com/modernpepper and check out my Korean fusion recipes as well as your authentic traditional Korean recipes that you could easily replicate at home. I will see you there. I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you and I can make more Korean dishes and Korean fusion dishes together. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here.